Hi, this is GT03235. I'm here today. I want to do a small review, a shooting review on my Taurus PT1911. It's all clear, nothing in it, no magazine. Awesome gun. This one is finished in duotone. It's 45 ACP. I have a target approximately 15 to 17 yards away. I'm just going to pump one magazine through it. I'm actually shooting reloads, so we'll see how it performs. As per usual, ears, eyes, very, very important. Clear.
Wow, baby, that's awesome.
So, can you see that far?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, it's a nice grouping.
So, as you can see, from 17, maybe 20 yards, there's a group in there, probably about 1.75 inches maximum, all around the bullseye. Maybe 2 inches maximum, but I think that's a pretty good grouping. Awesome gun.